Today we are beginning Burp Suite Basics inside the complete beginner path. Burp Suite is basically the most popular, the most recognized pen test tools when we talk about DAST tools, right? Dynamic Application Security Testing. Yeah, that's it. Let's get going. Task number 1, introduction. Welcome to Burp Suite Basics. And here I presume, okay, this particular room aims to understand the basics of Burp Suite Web Application Security Testing Framework. Our focus will revolve around the following key aspects: a thorough introduction to Burp Suite, a comprehensive overview of the various tools available within the framework, detailed guidance on the process of installing Burp Suite on your system, navigating and configuring Burp Suite. We will also introduce the core of Burp Suite framework, which is Burp Proxy. Yeah, we'll mess around with that a lot. It is important to note that this room will primarily serve as a foundational resource as acquiring knowledge about Burp Suite. Subsequent rooms in the Burp module will adopt a more practical approach. Thus, this room will contain a greater emphasis on theoretical content. If you have not yet utilized Burp Suite, it is recommended to carefully read the provided information and actively engage with the tool. Experimentation is essential for grasping the fundamentals of this framework and any framework for that matter. Combining the information presented here with hands-on exploration will establish a strong foundation for utilizing the framework. This will significantly assist you in future rooms. Answer the questions below, our favorite type of question. Let's start. Boom, complete. Now that we are talking about Burp Suite, as I said, it's the most popular pen testing DAST tool, let's say, but there is also the OWASP ZAP tool, which will have a room for that also. It's basically the competitor of Burp. Burp is paid. It has a community edition that is free, but I guess I will show you that when the time is right, when we install the tool. ZAP is free. So for that, stay tuned, subscribe now, and you know the drill. And yeah, have a great day. Bye.